Okay, welcome back. What we're going to look at today is we're going to look at something called tuples and something called lists. Okay, at the top there, I've called one where I've got days of the week, and I've just called it days of the week tuple. And what you notice about on a tuple has our curved braces around the side of it, rather than when we look at lists. And lists, just on this one, a list has got a square bracket on them. Our tuples are, they can't actually be changed, so that's a fixed, it's a kind of a fixed data store. We generally use it for things that wouldn't change. That's why I call this one days of the week, because the days of the week aren't going to change. Whereas the list in our names, we can actually manipulate that list, and we can add to it, remove things from the list. Okay. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to check that my tuple works. So I've defined both the tuple and the list up the top, and I'm just going to print the tuple out. So I'm going to run the program, and you can see that actually it's printed off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we've got all the days. We could do the same with our names. Oops, excuse me. Okay, so we'll try that one as well. Okay, it's done the same again. It's printed off the tuple and then the names. All right, what have we got below here? I've commented a load of stuff out at the moment. We'll take it through one bit by bit. Right, so first of all, what have we got? We've got underneath our declaration of our tuple and our list, we've printed off the tuple and then printed off the list. The next one, what I've done is I'm going to look at what is in that value. Let's just comment these ones out at the moment, so we don't put those. Okay, so when I run this, the print command is going to look at tuple, and we know that when we index any form of kind of data store, we index from the 0 value, so we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so hopefully what we'll get here, let's clear this. We'll run this, and if in our tuple Monday is in position 0 and Tuesday is in position 1 when we run it, okay, it gives us what is in position 1, which is Tuesday, as we expected. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got here. We can also return actually a value from that tuple to see the index value, to see where it actually is within it. So we've already said that we start from a 0. So if we run this now, let's give it, let's just hash that off so it doesn't interfere with what we're doing, and clear the bottom. So we'll run this now. It's given us 2. So what it's done is gone 0, 1, 2. So within that fixed tuple list, we've got Wednesday, and it's found the position where it is. Okay. Right, what else have we got here? Well, let's just hash that one out and have a look at the difference when we actually do a list. Okay. Slightly different in some of the bits, but the bits that are very similar. These bits the same as before. We're going to print the whole list off and then print the position. Okay, so we got John, Fred, Sarah, Jane, and we've gone to position 1. So we go 0, 1, and we pick Fred up and we print Fred out. Things that we can do with our list, which we can't do with our tuple. We can't actually manipulate our tuple because it's fixed. Can't actually change it. What we can do with the list though is we can put things on the list, take things on the list. We can change their positions. We can sort the list. All we're going to do at the moment is we've got here our list, and I've got a method in that I'm running which is append. So append will actually take Sam and put Sam on that list. Okay, let's just clear that. Okay, I think what we'll do is we'll just hash that one out so we can see. And what we're going to do is we're going to prove that Sam has been added to that list. So we'll show the list before, we'll append, and we'll add Sam to the list, and then we'll print the list out afterwards. Okay, right, what we can see there is it's printed off the original list of John, Fred, Sarah and Jane, and then it's appended, it's placed Sam on the list, it's put him on the end of the list. Okay, what we can do is we can actually remove Sam from the list. Okay, clear that out. So in our basic kind of manipulation here, what we've done is we've printed our list off, we've appended Sam to the list, printed to prove that he's actually on the list, and then what we're going to do is with that list we're going to remove Sam from that list, so we should be back to where we started. Let's just run it and see where we're at. Okay, right. So what we've got there is printed off the original list, it's put Sam on the list, and then it's found Sam and removed him from the list. Right, okay, go away and have a quick practice with that, manipulating the list. We could actually run them, let's run them all together, so one last bit so you can see what they're all doing. Okay, so all these print commands are going to run. We're going to print off a tuple, we're going to print off the list, we're going to print a position number 1 from the tuple, we're going to look at the index value of Wednesday within that tuple list, and then we're going to print the names off again, and we're going to print who was at position 1, append Sam, print it, remove Sam. Right, let's just clear that. Okay, let's have a look what we've done. Right, we've printed off the full tuple, printed off the list. We've put Tuesday as position number 1. It's given us to return us the value of where Wednesday is, which is in position 2. Printed off our list, given us the position of given us what's in position 1, which is Fred, and then it's put Sam on the list and taken Sam off the list. Right, that's enough to keep us going for a bit. What I want you to do now is go and have a quick practice with that, and what I'll do is I'm going to upload another video with some more list manipulation. Again, if you like these videos, click on the subscribe button, and whenever a new one goes up, you'll get notification that it's there.